guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Even I am doing very well. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can prepare a garlic bread which will be very delicious and very spicy too. So this will work out as a snack, and also you can use it as a breakfast. So try in the way I'm showing. It tastes very good, so even we felt very good, and I thought I can show you a video of it. So hope you like my video and you will try once and let me know in the comment section below. So actually it was we just had as a snack, but you can have as a breakfast also. You can also use wheat bread, you can also use maida bread, or whatever the bread you have. Just try it, it will be yummy and tasty, I'm telling you. So hope you will like it. And if you want any kind of recipes or any request, you can also give me in the comment section, or any complaint on this also you can give me in the comment section, no worries. So without any delay, we'll just get started. Before that, if you're watching my video for the first time, you can just click the subscribe button at the bottom of my video and bell button beside that, and you will get a notification soon I upload a video. So without any delay, let's get started. So guys, in garlic bread preparation, the first ingredient and important ingredient is the garlic, which we are making into paste, and butter is also ready, and it is a homemade butter which is ready with us. And I'm trying to just remove the flavor of garlic as it will be very raw, not trying to remove everything, and 50% we can remove the flavor of garlic, and other 50% will give a better taste to your bread. And we are adding salt and little mirchi to that, and I fried this garlic paste in the butter, please note it. And I added a little coriander leaves also, chopped coriander leaves. So you can make the consistency. If you don't find the consistency is like less, you can also make the consistency with the butter by adding butter. And one thing, please note it, don't fry the garlic pieces or garlic paste too much. Just 30 seconds is more than enough. And make the consistency like this by adding the butter. I'm gonna add butter. If you don't have a butter, you can also use ghee, no issues in that. And we are spreading on the bread like this. So this paste is like very tasty, and if you are a garlic lover, and you will love it. So I'm taking little amount on all the bread slices and trying to spread all over. Normally in the garlic bread we don't use cheese, but as this is a cheese garlic bread, we are using cheese slices or grated cheese on it. So this would be like taste like heaven, and you will love it. So I know there are most of the people who like to have cheese a lot. So for cheese lovers, this will be very good. We are just putting on only one bread and just preparing like a sandwich. On the other side, we are applying the same paste. Or if you don't like garlic taste, just add only little garlic. Don't use too many garlics also. You can add more butter, and the quantity of garlic also can be reduced. It's up to you. And after spreading everywhere, I'm using a microwave oven. You can also just fry it on the tawa, which will be very easy. Or if you have oven, they'll give a pan like this, which will be non-stick, and there is no need of sticking to that. And if you are using tawa, just use some ghee when you are frying it. So in oven, I'm just putting for adjusting the oven to just 2 minutes, and 2 minutes will be more than enough. And if you want it in a more and more like fried, you can adjust it up to 5 minutes also, no issues, but try to check in the middle. So it's all done, very soft one. As we like the soft one, we wanted to make it. If you want it hard also, you can adjust it to 5 minutes, which would be like taste like very good. It will be like toasted garlic it will become. So whatever we have prepared and making into slices, as it is very easy to eat, and it's all depends on your own interest. Our cheese garlic bread is ready now, and you can serve this with tomato sauce or mayonnaise, whatever you like, and have it as a breakfast or snack, how much you like, and it depends on your own interest. And thank you so much for watching my video, and you can subscribe and share to my channel, and stay tuned. Bye bye.